In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step protocol to importing products from Indiamart into Shopify. So this is method number one, the manual import. So this is best for small product lists. So let's say you're just having a one product store for drop shipping or whatever. What you're gonna wanna do is you're just gonna manually copy product details from Indiamart into Shopify. So find the products on Indiamart, go to www.indiamart.com. Then you want to search for the product you want to sell. So contact the supplier, confirm pricing, MOQ, and shipping options. Then you want to right click the product images and save them to your computer. Copy the title, description, price, and specifications. Then you want to add that product onto your Shopify store. So log into Shopify admin. So click products, add products, and then upload the product images. Paste the product title and description. Set the price and inventory details. Then you want to click save and repeat that for all the other products that you're wanting to sell on your store. For a bulk import via CSV, this is best for some large product lists. So if you're selling a lot of products, you're going to want to use a CSV file to import them into Shopify. So request a product list from Indiamart supplier. Ask the Indiamart supplier to send a CSV file with product details. You have to make sure they include things like product name, price, description, image, stock, and SKU. Then the next step would be to format that CSV file for Shopify. So open up the CSV file in like Google Sheets or Excel. Make sure it follows Shopify's format. So download Shopify's template. Then you want to save the file as CSV, so comma separated values. Then you want to upload the CSV to Shopify. So go to Shopify admin, products, then click import. Click the upload file, click the CSV, and then click continue. Review the imported products. Then finally, this is the last method. You can use a third-party app for automated import. So you can use third-party applications like Orburlo for drop shipping, Dropify, AliExpress, and all these integrated tools. So install the application from the Shopify App Store. Use the app to scrape and import Indiamart products into Shopify. Then you want to edit product details and publish them into your store. So the last tips I'd have for you guys is to verify supplier reliability before actually importing the products. I definitely also recommend negotiating the pricing and the MOQ for better profits. Then you want to optimize your SEO. SEO stands for search engine optimization, by rewriting the product titles and description. So you can add more keywords into that to rank higher in Google. Then you want to use high quality images to attract customers. No one's going to be buying an image if they can't even like really see it. If it's like blurry, pixely, you definitely want to take a photo with either your iPhone, that will do, or just use any high quality image of the product you're selling. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.